I strongly advise all my followers to smoke less. Smoke less. We've got another perfect candidate for restoration here. The pressure is back on old Pi. Next, we're going to give it a deep clean and a full overhaul. Hello everyone, how's it going? It's old Pi again, good to see you all. In this video, the graphics card we're servicing is an MSI GTX 1080T Duke 1080T. According to the description from our fan group, the temperature is quite high. Upon receiving it for testing, the temperature hit 100 degrees Celsius in just 3 seconds, then it just froze and crashed. It scored 0% on the stress test, it couldn't even run. After communicating with our follower, he said to perform the maintenance first, then we'll see how much the temperature drops after it's finished. I must say, there is an enormous amount of dust inside, and there's also an issue with the fans. Now, follow the camera and let's get started. Alright guys, we've opened up the card for this video. You can see the overall internal condition. Look at this dust. Seriously guys, try to smoke less. The thermal materials on this card have completely failed. After all, it is an old card. Our follower mentioned that he tried to open it himself, but sent it here when he realized he couldn't service it. Essentially, this card has never been disassembled since he bought it. Look at the thermal pads. They are covered in tobacco stains. We'll keep these thermal pads for a moment to remeasure their length, thickness, and width before applying new ones. Now, let's go clean this card. The card has been dried. Guys, take a look at the condition of these parts after cleaning. They look very good. The backplate and the heatsink. Earlier, the heatsink was covered in thick, fuzzy layers of dust. Now it's shining bright. There's nothing we can do about this part, since the label is made of paper, and the stains have soaked in. Also, the PCB has been cleaned very thoroughly. Next up, we're going to service the fans. The fans on this card use hydraulic bearings. We just need to inject new lubricating grease. All the screws for this card have been cleaned as well. I just didn't record it, but they all went through the ultrasonic cleaner.